guys, thanks for coming back to my channel, All Things Antonia. My name is Antonia, and as you can tell by the title, in today's video I'm going to be sharing my weekly grocery haul with you guys. So if you'd like to see what I picked up at my local grocery store this week, then just keep on watching. But first, if you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. Also, if you are already subscribed, thanks for coming back to my channel, showing support. I see you. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video.
Okay, so I'm just gonna jump right in. The first thing I see is this bag of sweet potato chips. These are by the Simple Truth Kroger brand. So this is their natural organic brand of potato chips. I've tried the sweet potato tortilla chips. I think I showed that in my last grocery haul video. If you haven't seen that, go ahead and check it out. They're really good, and so I'm hoping that these are good as well. I haven't tried those, but I would imagine they're pretty good also. The next bag of chips I picked up are these by Good Health. It says enjoy being good, and it says eat your vegetable chips. I got the sour cream and onion flavor, and they are non-GMO ingredients. It says there's 8 great vegetables in here, so interesting to see how those are going to taste. Also, I did pick up another bag of the crispy chicken breast strips. I do like to get these, like I mentioned in my last grocery haul, just to add to like salads, something for a quick and easy lunch. And I picked up a bag of the green beans. These are in a steamable bag. These are really good as well. I just toss them with a little bit of butter, unsalted butter, and a little bit of seasoning, and they're very tasty. And then I just got this 24-pack of bottled water. This is by the Simple Truth brand as well, and it has electrolytes, and these water bottles are BPA free, which is very important. So the next thing I have here is just a pack of straws, unsalted butter. This is a new find for me at the grocery store, the smoked turkey breast. This is by Kentucky Legend, and it's thick sliced smoked turkey breast. But if you can tell, these slices are pretty thick, and it doesn't look like your typical lunch meat. It looks more like deli meat. And so I'm excited to try that. Sometimes I do take like turkey sandwiches for lunch to work. And I also got a pack of smoked flavored provolone cheese slices because I like that to go with my turkey sandwiches. And then I picked up some yogurt. So I really like the Noosa Mates yogurt. I've tried it a couple of times before. They have these marked down to 99 cents. So it has the yogurt in the container at the bottom, and then it comes with granola included. And this one has coconut yogurt with Gittard dark chocolate, toasted coconut, and almonds. So I'm excited to try that. So I got 2 of the coconut and almond with chocolate, and then I got 2 of the honey cranberry almond. And this one has honey yogurt with crunchy granola, cranberries, roasted almonds, and pepitas. And these were marked down to 99 cents as well. I picked up a Lara bar. I picked this up only because it was free. Kroger, if you don't shop there frequently, they do have a Kroger app, and you can download your coupons there. And every Friday they have a free Friday download, which is a free coupon to get an item for free. So I picked up this Lara bar, and I chose the cashew cookie. It says it just has 2 ingredients, and the 2 ingredients are cashews and dates. So we'll see how that tastes. Okay, so the next thing I see here is a container of flax seeds. And I have been thinking about purchasing some flax seeds to make my own flaxseed hair gel. I have a natural recipe that I want to try that is really good to help moisturize your hair. So it's really easy to make. You pretty much just boil these, and it creates its own gel. If I do decide to do it, I'll make a video on it. Moving right along, I did pick up a can of biscuits, and I got the jumbo biscuits that are butter flavored. I like to make these, and then I have some frozen turkey sausage patties that I like to make for breakfast for work in the mornings. Also, I picked up a thing of grape jelly because for some reason I've been craving peanut butter and jelly. So I had to pick up some jelly to go with my peanut butter. And I picked up some mustard for my turkey sandwiches. I picked up the ragu for cheese sauce. This I'm thinking about making like some penne pasta with chicken and maybe add some shrimp and spinach. I haven't made that in a long time. I used to make it all the time, so I may do that this weekend. Okay, and I also picked up a bag of veggie blend salad mix. It has iceberg, romaine, carrots, radishes, red cabbage, all that good stuff in there. And I did get a bottle of ranch with bacon dressing. And the last thing that I have is a box of cereal by the brand Barbara's. And this is Puffins cereal. Peanut butter flavor, and this was in the organic aisle. I've never tried this brand, but I obviously love peanut butter. It is non-GMO.
Okay, so that's going to be it for this week's grocery haul number 2. So be on the lookout for my next grocery haul coming up, if not next week, the week after. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I've actually made it easy for you. If you're on your mobile device or on your laptop or computer, then you should be able to see the little subscribe button at the bottom of the screen in the corner, either right here or right here in the corner, and just hover over that, hit that subscribe button, and you're automatically subscribed. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.